this is done, we've officially went 8 for 8 in this park.
We did.
That's a good start.
Oh, wow. Little missed.
I got sprinkles. That's about it.
That was good.
Yeah, there were a couple plot twists on that ride.
Good theming too.
Yes, I like the theming. This park hasn't missed much on any of the theming, really.
It's European Disneyland. I don't mean that as like a Disney built in Europe. I really feel like this is the same. It's a similar concept of, you know, like a Magic Kingdom.
The
but
effort's there. And I think a lot of these are original characters too.
They are.
You guys,
that's something that
we are.
Yeah, same here.
Really?
Yeah.
Where from?
Virginia, originally California.
Ohio.
New Jersey.
And whether or not they switch to Dutch and you say anything like,
yes.
Yeah. Yes. We get to the hotel, I'm like, oh, Huda Morgan. They're like, hi, how are you?
Yeah, how do they know? Like, seriously, how do they know? It's like, really?
It's a native ear, I guess.
Yeah.